Hi, David Odell here with OdellCompleteConcrete. We've announced the winners, and the winners for the shirt, the 100,000 subscriber deal. We've got Morph the Dude, Mike Pennington, Ray Torres, Mark Pinter, Kev Dog. Those are the 5 winners that will receive a shirt. I've got green, blue, and gray. Contact me any way you'd like, and then we'll get your mailing address and the size and color you want. Thanks for participating in the giveaway, and stay tuned because I've got a lot of tool companies, that want me to give stuff away, so I'm gonna give it away. I mean, why not? If they want to give it to me, I'm gonna give it away. I mean, I don't need them all. I need one thing from every tool company, not all of them. So the rest I'm giving away. I can only use one because we're just a small operation here. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Stay tuned for all those great giveaways.